Hello, my beloved data leaders. Uh, there was a lot of interest last time in some of the tips and tricks related to technology, so I thought I'd make a short video to teach you a couple of new things. Just to review what we learned last time, we talked about how if you go up here to the top and you're typing in and you want to extend this so that you can see more of it, all you have to do is click in there and literally drag it down to make the box bigger so that when you're typing, you can see everything that shows up in the box. In addition, in the box, we want to make sure that the text is going to wrap. So up here at the top, I'll click on this icon and it says text wrapping and make sure that it's on the little circular thing so that it shows up all together in the box. So that was one thing we learned last time. Let me see if I can get this back. The other thing we learned last time was how to insert some columns. We did yellow interventions and red interventions as requested. I thought that tonight what I would show you is how to do some conditional formatting. So a lot of people have expressed interest or like the fact that sometimes these boxes will turn different colors based upon the number that's in them. So tonight I'm going to show you how to do some conditional formatting that will make that happen automatically. The first thing I'm going to do is select the two columns. So in this case, it's column D. And if I hold down the control button, I can also select column G, because these are the two columns I want conditional formatting in. Once they're selected, I go up to the menu entitled Format, and when I click on it, I'm going to scroll down to Conditional Formatting. When I do that, something's going to come up over here called Conditional Formatting Rules. We're going to say Add New Rule. The first thing you'll notice is it says Apply to Range. You want to make sure that the cells you want to format are included in that box. In this case, we don't want a single color. We want a color scale. So I'm going to click on that button. And I'm going to go to the preview. And I'm going to select the one that's green to yellow to red. Now I have to do a little adjusting because for whatever reason, Google sees the larger numbers as red and the smaller numbers as green. So we have to fix that. I'm going to go over here to where it says minimum value, and I'm actually just going to put in number. You'll see that there's a 0 in the box, and we know that in our scale, the 0 is red. And so I'm going to go down and select a pretty shade of red for that. The midpoint on our scale is a 2 because we have a scale of 0 to 4. And so that will be yellow. It's already shaded in. And the maximum point is 4. And I'm going to change the color for 4 to be this lovely shade of green. Then I'm just going to click Done. You'll notice that over in our boxes, now they're conditionally formatted so that you can easily see what zeros are red, and the higher up the scale you go, they turn more green. It should work so that no matter what you put in the blank, let me add my other sister-in-law, who also is named Maureen. And we're going to put in her pet, which is Bosco Dempsey. If I go over and say that Bosco Dempsey started out at a 1, it automatically colors it. And we're going to say that Bosco ended up at a 2, and it automatically colors it. So that's a short tutorial on how to do conditional formatting.